Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take screenshot in Vivo Y16. There are various ways of taking screenshot in your phone Vivo Y16. Here we will see 4 methods of taking screenshots. First, you have to go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I go to Chrome page and here I would like to take a screenshot of the screen. First method, use power button and volume down button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. See the demo. Yes, screenshot is taken. This is the screenshot. If you want to edit the screenshot, use editing tool. There are various editing tools available. I use cropping tool now and click on the tick mark and click on save finally. This is the first method. Now we will see second method of taking screenshot. For that use 3 fingers. Just with your 3 fingers swipe down along the screen like this and screenshot will be taken. Then we will see third method of taking screenshot. For that go to the settings first, go to settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, then click on easy touch and turn on the button against easy touch. This is easy touch bar. Just if you click on it you will see screenshot icon. So to take a screenshot, first go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and then click on easy touch bar and click on screenshot icon there and screenshot will be taken. This is third method of taking screenshot. Then we will see fourth method of taking screenshot. For that first turn off easy touch and then set to accessibility menu. Again go to settings, click on shortcuts and accessibility and click on easy touch and turn off easy touch. Then in shortcuts and accessibility go to accessibility, go to accessibility and click on accessibility menu and turn on the button against accessibility menu shortcut. Click on allow and click on got it and yes, this is the accessibility menu icon. If you click on it you will see screenshot icon there. As usual go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and then click on accessibility menu icon and click on screenshot and yes, screenshot will be taken. So in these 4 methods you can take a screenshot in your phone. Still there is another powerful method, that is S capture, in which there are several sub methods. We will see it in the next video. Now to access the screenshot files, go to the files in your phone. Go to the files in your phone and click on internal storage. Click on internal storage and click on pictures and click on screenshots folder and you will see all screenshots that you have taken now. Okay, so in these methods you can easily take screenshot and also you can take long screenshot. We will see it in the next video. Okay, you can take screenshots using these 4 methods. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.